AI is replacing developers. That's the headline, the panic, the group chat meltdown. And then a hiring report quietly says, actually, coding is growing. So either the internet is wrong or we are misunderstanding something big. Let's decode it. Upwork, a top freelancing website, released its 2026 skills report based on real freelancer earnings, real jobs, real money. Coding and web development still among the fastest growing work categories. Not just AI stuff, regular dev work, front end, back end, full stack, web design. At the same time, AI related skills inside existing roles grew 109% year over year. In translation, more code, more AI, not fewer humans. Because we mixed up two very different questions. Question 1: can AI write code? Yes, sometimes on a good day. Question 2: can AI own a messy business problem end to end? That's where things get quiet. The internet collapsed these two into one hot take. AI can write code equals to developers are done. That's like saying calculators exist equals to mathematicians are unemployed. Nice math, but terrible logic. Here's the pattern Upwork is actually showing. Companies are hiring outcomes, not roles. They don't want someone who knows React. They want someone who can ship this thing, integrate AI, and not break production. That's why AI integration is up 178%. AI chatbots are up. But so is plain old full stack work. And here's the spicy part. Adaptability and creative problem solving ranked higher than knowing how to build AI from scratch. So no, they are not hiring prompt wizards. They are hiring people who can think. Think of AI like a GitHub Copilot. Copilot can autocomplete a function. Cool. But it can't answer the Slack message. Hey, why did checkout fail only for users in Germany at 2 a.m.? That's where humans show up. Context, judgment, trade-offs. AI is the power tool. You're the one holding the blueprint. Or, put differently, AI writes lines of code. Developers decide which lines matter. If you are learning CS or web dev right now, here's the calm truth. You don't need to out AI AI. You need to understand systems, glue tools together, know why things break, explain decisions clearly. That's why skills like UX, integration, testing, and full stack thinking didn't disappear. They quietly became more valuable. So no, coding isn't dead. It just stopped being about typing speed. AI didn't replace developers, it exposed bad explanations. If you had to bet on one skill for next 5 years, what would it be and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.